welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up our package from Supreme, which is that JPT that we copped on Thursday. So pretty awesome. Unfortunately, again, I don't have it with me because it's at home. Next week I'll be at home, so if we cop anything on Thursday, I'll be able to show you in person. But we do have a video. Unfortunately, the video, all the cool parts of the shirt is underneath the shirt itself, and I can't open it just because I've already sold it. And I want to keep it dead stock, so unfortunately I can't show you the entire thing, but it's a cool little video. The shipping, I just want to talk about Supreme shipping. It came on Friday at 4 o'clock. That's one day shipping. That's almost better than Amazon. That's amazing. North Face, it came on Saturday, and I was impressed by that, but this time got the UPS information, and it said it was going to come on Friday. But here's the thing that it said that the package weighed 45 pounds, and I was like, okay, who messed up, Supreme or UPS? My thought is, okay, UPS, they weighed it and their thing is wrong, I don't know, and it said 45, or Supreme somehow sent me a box of all these shirts. So in my mind, I was hoping that I would get I don't know, 100 of these shirts in a box, and they accidentally did that. Unfortunately, none of that happened. They did just send me one shirt. But you can see on the bag, it says 45 pounds. So somebody messed up. It's probably meant to say 0.45 or something. But it just cracked me up, because I was like, if I get a box of Supreme shirts that weighs 45 pounds, I'll lose my mind. But still, we just got the one shirt, which is awesome. So we're going to take a look at that video right now.
Nice. Okay.
Ooh, a couple stickers. Look at this one.
Well done.
Good cop.
So as you can see, a really clean piece. I would have loved to have kept it, but that's all right. But as you can see in the video, there's a sticker pack that came, and it's still the spring stickers. So there's the headline sticker, the Susie sticker, and a box logo, and I'm actually going to give that away. So all you have to do is hit the link in the description. It's a Gleam link. There's multiple ways to enter to get more entries. That's going to end next Saturday, and I'll post it in the next video as well. But if you check back every single day on that link, you can enter every single day to get bonus entries, and I'll just randomly pick one of you. Make sure you put in a correct email, because that's how I'll connect with you. I'll just email you, send me your address. It's completely free, and I'll just ship it out to you so you can get that sticker pack. So make sure you do that. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are. So go outside, enjoy it. Have an awesome week, and make sure to hit the subscribe and bell for when I post next, which will probably be on Wednesday, for my week 8 review of Supreme. So without further ado, have an awesome day.